Hi, let's begin with the introduction. Here's the first chord, and for now you will only have the A major composed of the C sharp, the E, and the A, and the bass note of A, and the C sharp minor composed of the C sharp, the E, and the G sharp, and the bass note of C sharp. And for the moment, I suggest you play like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you play this chord twice if you want to play pressed chords. But if you want to play that beautiful piano melody, let me show you a new chord, and here's how you will play, beginning with the bass note of A and the first note of the melody at the same time. Then you move on to the C sharp minor chord, same thing, so bass and first note together. Then the A major chord. And back to the C sharp minor again as you played it. Slowly, it would give you this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And at the original speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can start the first verse. Let me show you the corresponding chart for the previous method, and it will indeed be the introduction chart. I'm so tired of being here, suppressed by all my childish fears. And you play that chart 2 more times the same way. And if you have to leave, I wish that you would just leave, 'cause your presence still lingers here, and it won't leave me alone. Or you could use the melody chart. Let me display it again and sing you the verse once more. I'm so tired of being here, suppressed by all my childish fears. So you will play this chart the same way again. And if you have to leave, I wish that you would just leave, 'cause your presence still lingers here, and it won't leave me alone. And you reach the pre-chorus, which will be played with this new chord, and you'll have 2 new chords, the F sharp minor composed of the C sharp, the F sharp, and the A, and the bass note of F sharp, and eventually the E major composed of the E, the G sharp, and the B, and the bass note of E. And I'll go back to pressed chords. And it won't leave me alone. These wounds won't seem to heal. This pain is just too real. There's just too much that time cannot erase. But if you want to get a little closer to the original song, you will play that C sharp minor chord offbeat the first time like this. And it won't leave me a 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And with the lyric. And it won't leave me alone. These wounds won't seem to heal. This pain is just too real. There's just too much that time cannot erase. And chorus. Let me show you the corresponding chart for that section, and you will have a new chord, the D major composed of the D, the F sharp, and the A, and the bass note of D. And here you will have 2 choices. Either you play every chord on the beat like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you play the D major and the C sharp minor offbeat like the original song. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 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 Okay? When you cried, I wipe away all of your tears. When you scream, I'd fight away all of your fears. And I held your hand through all of these years, but you still have. And here you will play the A, G sharp, F sharp, E, and B. Still have all of me. And at that moment, you will take back the introduction melody chart and play it once before moving on. But of course, you could have played these chords using standard arpeggios, so let me show you a readapted chart, and this time you will play like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if it helps to place your fingers, you could also count twice as fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you cried, I'd wipe away all of your tears. When you'd scream, I'd fight away all of your fears. And I held your hand through all of these years, but you still have. And again, you will play the notes of A, G, F sharp, E, and B. And so as I said, you will take back the introduction melody chart, which you will play once before moving on. The second verse will then be played exactly like the first one, so just choose your preferred method. And as for the second pre-chorus and the second chorus, well, they will be played exactly like the previous ones. Then you reach the bridge, played with a new chart. Let me display it to you and note the addition of the B minor, composed of the D, the F sharp, and the B, and the bass note of B. I've tried so hard to tell myself that you're gone, but though you're still with me, I've been alone all along. And you reach an interlude with the drums entering the music, at least in the video clip. So here's the chart, and notice that these are the first chords of the chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or the D major and the C sharp minor offbeat. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And you'll play that chart twice. And once you've done that, you can play the last chorus using the corresponding chart and the method of your choice. You will then be able to finish this song with the melody chart, which you will play 4 times before ending this song with the A major chord. I wish you good luck for this song, and I will see you very soon in the next one.